Good morning. I am Manoj Kumar Jha, Assistant Professor of English, Nandan Sanskrit College, Isapur, Madhubani. It's a constituent unit of Kameswar Singh Sanskrit University, Darbhanga. Today, we are going to discuss nouns and noun phrases. The topic is important for intermediate as well as degree students of the university. A noun is a word like car, uncle or success. Well, be attentive. A noun is a word like car, uncle or success. Nouns have different kinds of meaning. There are concrete nouns, exemplification, computer, dog. Abstract nouns, exemplification, strength, excitement. Nouns referring to events, exemplification, festival. Nouns referring to roles, exemplification, designer. Nouns referring to names, exemplification, India. Some nouns have a plural form with S. Exemplification, cars, dogs. There are also irregular plurals. Exemplification, feet, knives. The only other ending that we put on a noun is the possessive form with apostrophe S or S apostrophe. Exemplification, the doctor's seat. A noun phrase can be a noun on its own. For example, we all need money. Silence is golden. In these sentences, we all need money. Money is noun phrase. Silence is golden. Silence, noun phrase. But more often, a noun combines with other words to form a noun phrase. For example, some money, the road, his opinion, several of the young people. A noun phrase can be the subject, object or complement of a sentence. Well, be attentive, you should try to get me. A noun phrase can be the subject, object or complement of a sentence. For example, the vehicle hit a tree. In the sentence, the vehicle working as subject, noun phrase. A tree working as object. The day was an absolute disaster. The day working as subject. An absolute disaster working as a complement. It can also come after a preposition. Means a noun phrase can also come after a preposition. For example, we were all looking at the photos. Here, try to understand. See, at the photos, at preposition. These words can combine with a noun to form a noun phrase. Well, the rule is very important. These words can combine with a noun to form a noun phrase. First one, articles, exemplification, a house, the police. Possessives, exemplification, my job. Well, be attentive, the rule is very important. These words can combine with a noun to form a noun phrase. First, articles, exemplification, a house, the combination of a and house, the police. Second, possessives, exemplification, my job. Demonstratives, this way. Quantifiers, exemplification, many cars. 10 days. Adjectives, exemplification, a good idea. Other nouns, exemplification, a car accident. We can use a phrase after a noun to modify it. Well, try to understand it. We can use a phrase after a noun to modify it. The phrase can be one of these types. Prepositional phrase, exemplification, T for two. Adverb phrase, exemplification, the people upstairs. Adjective phrase, exemplification, a hole full of water. Noun phrase, exemplification, the weather that day. Here, that day. The prepositional phrase is the most common. For example, the period after lunch is always quiet. After lunch, I'd love an apartment on the 5th floor. On 5th floor, on 5th floor, a prepositional phrase. We can use two or more phrases or phrases and clauses together. For example, passengers on services through the tunnel will suffer delays. In the sentence, on services through the tunnel makes the combination of more phrases and clauses. Passengers on the services through the tunnel will suffer delays. In this way, we have become acquainted today with nouns and noun phrases. That's all for now. Thank you.